today's video, I'll be unpacking party dresses from Shein. And I just got my package. I'm going to rate each dress on a scale from 1 to 10. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so let's open the first bag. Alright, so I guess we will start with something in red. Oh, it looks so tiny. I am usually size medium, as I always keep saying that, so my size did not change. And I hope I got this in, in medium. Then why does it look so small? It's beautiful though. I'm just worried if I'm gonna get my bum into this. Okay, so the first dress, it's called a Raffinéa, not sure how to pronounce that, halter neck sequin bodycon dress. And I've got this dress in color burgundy. It also comes in gold, black, green, and so on and so on. First impressions are positive so far. It's just that it looks very, very tight. I hope I'm gonna get into this dress. I guess we shall see. Let me pop it on. Well, hello there. Look at this dress. Are you kidding me? That's how it looks from the side, from the back, and from the front. Are you kidding me? I can tell you right away that it looks exactly like in the product picture. It fits me perfectly. And again, I'm wearing size medium. No complaints whatsoever. Oh, okay, maybe one. The only thing that it is a little bit short, but again, it's manageable. It's not like too short. I can tolerate it. Plus, I would probably be wearing some tights. Anyway, so yeah, this is such a gorgeous halter neck sequin red, should I say burgundy, dress. Really? Yeah, the sizing is correct. The fabric, it feels really, really nice. And it's not like see-through or anything like that at all. I don't know. I think that this is such a perfect find. And it's gonna be perfect for Christmas party or New Year's Eve even. Yeah, this is such a gorgeous dress. Okay, yeah, so the only cons I can think of is just that it's a little bit short. I wish it was just a little bit longer though, so that would make me feel more secure. But I don't know. It's still no biggie. Like, you can readjust the dress. But yeah. Another thing maybe is that this area over here, I know that I have been eating quite a lot lately. I don't know, it's just winter time. I guess you need to put more on your coat. Actually, you don't. But the tummy area, like this ruched detailing over here, I don't know, it makes my tummy look bigger, doesn't it? Or is that just me? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, the only thing that bothers me is the length of the dress. I wish it was just a little bit longer. So I'm gonna give this dress 9 out of 10. Yes. Let me know what you guys think though. How would you rate this dress? But in the meantime, let's move on to the next one. What's gonna be next? Who's gonna be next? Who's gonna be next? Here we have something in green because I realize I don't own a single dress in this color. It looks different from the pictures, or doesn't it? No, it actually looks quite alike. Okay, whatever. It looks quite alike. I just thought it's gonna be a little bit longer. Okay, so this is called Shein Sexy Solid Color Pleated Satin Cami Dress. I've got this in dark green. It comes in black, white, red, and so on. The quality seems to be all right though. Slightly see-through, but hey, nothing surprising. For the price you pay, you can't expect much, I guess. So yeah, this one had some positive reviews, so I'm hoping it's gonna fit nicely and I hope it's gonna look good. So, I don't know. Let me just pop it on and see how it looks. All right, yet here's another dress. Are you kidding me? At first, I was like a little bit skeptical. I don't even know why, but it didn't look like it's gonna fit nice. And now that I put it on, it's like it's in a perfect length, in a perfect shape, size, fabric, color. Everything about this dress It's just perfect. I must say that the fabric is really stretchy, not like too stretchy, but it's really comfortable. And I don't know, I think it looks like in the product picture. Where's my phone? All right, now in the product picture, it looks slightly longer, but it's not a problem like at all. I mean, I'm quite tall, so maybe it's just me. Yeah, the color, it looks a little bit cooler, but maybe it's just like the lighting or editing. I don't know. It looks quite alike. That's what I can tell you. And yeah, I have it in size medium. It fits me perfectly. It runs true to size. I don't know what else to say. I just want to show you the dress in full length. That's how the dress looks from the side, from the back. By the way, it doesn't have any zipper though. And from the front. However, it does have adjustable straps. So you can readjust them yourself, I guess, if it's needed. But it wasn't needed for me though. What do you guys think? Do you love this dress? Would you wear it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna give this dress 10 out of 10, without a shadow of doubt, because it looks absolutely fantastico. Yeah, let's move on. Okay, I'm excited for the next dress though, because this next dress has some feathers. Okay, whoa, oh wow, looks like a wig. I wasn't okay, that's not actually feathers. I thought it's gonna be feathers. It's not bad at all. Wow, what? This looks unreal. Like, is this really from Shein? Okay, positive impression so far. Wow, it just looks very small though. Looks exactly like the product picture, to be honest. So it's called off-shoulder furry decoration black sequin women's party dress. And yeah, it looks stunning. I hope it's gonna look on me as good as it looks on the model. Gorgeous. The only thing I'm concerned about is the length of this dress, because it does look a little bit short though. So let me pop it on.
2 hours later.
Oh my gosh, you guys. It literally took me forever to get into this blue. I'm not gonna swear, but to get into this dress. Like, it hurts because this fur band, or however you wanna call it, I cannot, it's just too small for me. It literally hurts my arms now. And it does have a zipper, so I thought it's gonna be easier to get into this dress. But no, like literally everything would be fine because the fabric itself is quite stretchy. But just because of this fur bands, I can't move. I can't lift my arms. That's the most I can do. That's the most I can lift my arm. What? What's wrong with the sizing though? And before getting into this dress, I checked the tag and I do have it in size medium, but this is not size medium. I would say, okay, Jess, maybe you just need to lose some weight and eat less. Maybe, but the sizing isn't correct anyway. It feels more like extra, extra small. Like, what on earth? Also, it's really short. Like, what the heck? The dress itself, it's so beautiful. Like this fur detailing and whatnot, it's gorgeous. It instantly elevates the look, but the sizing? No, man, like what on earth? If I'm gonna get myself the same dress just in size large, if I would, size up, I think it would be still the same issue with the length, because it's really short, like really short. You can see the tag is popping out. The sizing is horrible. The dress itself, it's absolutely stunning, but I don't know. I think I need your input. Let me know if I should get myself this dress in size. I don't know what size even. Should I size up? Should I get myself this dress in another size or not? Or should I just leave it? What do you think? Let me know. So I'm gonna give this dress, I don't know, 5. I'm gonna give it 5 because I'm not gonna wear it anywhere anyway. Only for this video. We do not really get along. Let's move on. Next dress. I think we are going to have some sequin moments. Yes! What? This is so cute! Are you kidding me? That's a really nice dress. Oh my god, like a disco ball. Okay, so this beauty, she's called Privé Women's Partly Beaded Halter Minute Dress. Again, I have it in size medium, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, it's in size medium. I hope it's gonna fit and look nice because it does look a little bit shapeless though, but I might be wrong. I might be wrong. Let me just go ahead and put this beauty on, see how it looks. Yeah, I'm a disco ball, baby. Well, look at her. She's such a gorgeous dress. It's a dress to impress. What? I love her. She's, you know what? First of all, I think that this halter neckline really elevates the look. And all the sequins, they do not look cheap at all. Well, at least that's what I think. The fabric, it feels really, really nice. It's not too tight nor too baggy. It doesn't look as flattering as the upper ones, but I mean, if you want it to be more snatched and tight, yeah, I love the length of it. I think it's in perfect length. I think it's such a lovely dress. The only thing though, underlining, yeah, this fabric that is underneath, it's coming out. Not like I'm coming out, but you can see a little bit of it. But I mean, it's not the end of the world. Like, what else? Yeah, oh yeah. I just really need to sort out my bra situation though, since the dress is backless and I don't know. I just need a proper bra for this dress, I guess, so that my bra doesn't come out. So yeah, other than that, I think it's a lovely dress. It's perfect for New Year's Eve, and it's something simple yet not too simple. And hey, there's a huge pro though. If you wear a dress like this during a party, you know what? You can eat as much as you want, darling, because it will not really show up. Because your tummy area is covered in sequins and it's not like tight, you know what I mean? It's more like slightly baggier in this area, so, what else do you want? Yeah, that's nice, that's nice. Yeah, it's in perfect length, shape, fabric. I love all the sequins. The only thing is that I think it's not as flattering as I wanted it to be, but it's still it's a really cute dress though. I think I'm gonna make the most of it. Yeah, it's a really lovely dress though. So I'm gonna give her 9 out of 10. Yeah, it's a 9 out of 10. It's cute. Let's move on. Okie doke. Next dress. A red dress. A little red dress. What? I remember that this one also comes in black. I really want to get this in black now though. Oh my gosh, and it has a band here. So it's not going to be like slouchy in the boobies area. Okay. Wow. Are you kidding me? All right, so it's called Square Neck Flounce Sleeve Ruched Bust Sequin Mesh Bodycon dress. I've got this gorgeous dress in color burgundy. Again, it comes in black and green and more colors. She's so beautiful. I think we will get along just fine. Let me go ahead and put it on. See how it looks. Ooh la la. I literally feel like a sexy señorita. Look at her. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Like Lady in Red. So beautiful. Like, I totally adore the sleeves. They're like literally my favorite. I think it's so flattering, and especially the neckline. This square neckline is one of my favorite though. Oh, just please don't pay attention to my horrible tan lines. But yeah. And I love it that it has that elastic, not like elastic, how do you call it? There's like a wiring under my boobies, so it makes them in place, you know? And a bra is not needed, I think. Yeah, it's ruched and really like stretchy, not like too stretchy, but quite stretchy. I think it fits me perfectly. It also has a zip in the back, but of course I needed some help, so my fiance, he helped me to zip it up and tie in the back. I think it's so pretty and romantic and gorgeous. I think I'm gonna tell you this, that this dress is gonna be my favorite from this haul so far. Because A, I feel really comfortable wearing it. B, I think it fits me like a glove. And C, I think it looks absolutely flattering. And it's in perfect love. There's literally nothing wrong about this dress, at least nothing I could think of. Yeah, and I love this dress with my gold jewelry though. Although I do think that silver would look nice as well. It does have these silver glitters everywhere, across everywhere on the dress. But yeah, it's so beautiful. I now really want to get it in black. Charming. Yes, she's gorgeous. I don't really want to take it off. I'm just stunned by the dress, quality and price. That's what I call the real jackpot. I love it, and I'm gonna give her 10 out of 10. That's for sure. It's a 10 from me. Pickles, he also loves the dress, and he gives it a 10 out of 10. He loves the dress so much he wants to escape. I guess, whatever. Alright guys, I have linked all the dresses down below in the description. I would love to know which dress was your favorite one. Also, let me know what you would like to see more of. And I hope to see you next time.